Hey guys, it's Mr. Yates. I apologize for not finishing these notes. So I'm going to go through them really quick and post them. If you don't need them, great. But if you do, I want to make sure you have access to them. So I'm just going to do the last three examples with you really quick together because they are a little different than what we've been doing so far. So if you look at the first problem, we have to figure out the domain. Okay. And what you're going to notice about the domain is there's not a stop and a start point. There's not a dot. And you'll notice that I'm going to draw on top of these. This keeps going and going to the left, and it keeps going and going to the right. And when that happens, we have to state the domain left and right. Anytime that situation happens, your domain, remember you start from the left, so we're coming from the negative direction. Is it going to be negative infinity to infinity? Okay. Well, now we got to do up and down, okay? And remember, we start from the bottom. So we're going to start right here and describe this, that blue line. Well, it's starting at -3. So I'm going to go down here and say it starts at -3 and it goes up, 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 and it keeps going. So that's infinity. Infinity always gets a parentheses. A number, as long as it's colored in, gets a bracket, okay? You'll notice on part B, let me go back, let's do domains in red, okay? This goes on and on in to the negative direction, on and on to the positive direction. So my domain starting from the left to the right. So I'm going to describe it this way. Starts at negative infinity and it goes to infinity. You'll get used to this, okay? What's unique about this one is when you look at the domain, it starts from the bottom and it starts all the way down the bottom and it just keeps going and going and going up. So actually the range is exactly the same as the domain. It starts at negative infinity, it goes to infinity. Okay, so if you look at that picture, I'm trying to squeeze this down a little bit. It starts at negative infinity in the y direction from the bottom and it goes all the way up and keeps going and going and going in the positive direction. Okay, last one. Okay, let's start with domain. Okay, again, check it domain-wise in terms of red. Let me get rid of this little piece here. Keeps going and going to the left, keeps going and going to the right. So anytime that's happening, start from the left, that's negative infinity to infinity. Okay, if I had to draw what's going on with the range, it's starting on the bottom. Let's draw an arrow. And it goes and goes and goes and goes and it stops right here. So how do I describe that in terms from the bottom up? It's coming from the bottom, so that's negative infinity. It stops at 2, so that's my bracket, okay? So let me summarize this. Struggling here. All right, let me summarize this, okay? Number 1, okay? Infinity and negative infinity always get parentheses. Okay. Number 2, numbers get, that's apostrophe S, numbers get a bracket on either side, depending on where they start and stop, okay? There is one little part to that, and that's unless there is an open circle. And what they mean by that is on the graph, it's an open circle and then a line connected to it. Kind of like what happened on, what number was that? Part B. This is an example of open circle. That's what they're referring to. Okay, so that's it. It's really short. I wanted you to see those again. That was bad teaching by me. I thought we could nail our notes in 20 minutes, and I obviously screwed that up. So if you watch this, I appreciate it. I'm going to dump it, a link on YouTube. See ya.